All right, there we go. There we go. Nice. Ooh, okay. So what we're gonna try, I'm gonna try to have this record while streaming. I could record while not streaming. I don't know if this is gonna break something. So if the stream goes offline, I'll be right back. So far, nothing broke. Okay, perfect, perfect. All right, welcome everyone. Good to see you all. Today, I have a very fun stream, but I need a little bit more time. I have to go pick up my car, and I'm excited about that. Been without a car for a very long time. So yeah, I'm excited about that. But I have to go pick it up. So like, there's a hard cutoff that I have to do. So I only have like 3 hours to stream, 3.5. What I have two things. I'll show you the one thing, which I'm pretty excited to do. Maybe next week, maybe Monday, because Monday I have off and I don't have a whole lot going on. Let me pull that up. Let me find it because I'm pretty excited about it. Somebody made a ridiculous challenge on Twitter. And we're gonna have to accept it. So the first post here was, I have a very simple question I asked during phone screens. Print each level of a tree on a separate line. 90% of CS grad candidates just can't do it. Someone needs to investigate these universities. All right, so this was the initial statement, and we've got to take it up a notch, but somebody added to this. Okay, if you can solve this problem using Go, Kubernetes, SQLite, we are hiring at Turso database. Okay, so I guess challenge accepted. Challenge accepted. We're gonna do a stream either this Monday or next Saturday. We're going to take 4 hours. We're going to complete this in the most ridiculous way absolutely possible. We're going to use operators. We're going to use microservices. We're going to use Go and Rust just to have an agnostic system that will handle both. Just to solve this problem. Yeah. I thought that would be fun. So we're going to do that next stream. Yeah, so that might be Monday. We have Monday off. So I'm thinking Monday. We might do that. Unless you guys don't think that would be fun. I thought it would be fun. What was I can't type this morning. I can't type. I didn't do it in the agents, did I? I didn't do it here. Like, it's not a Git repo. I slept too many times before the last time I touched this. Land of Elite. Okay, so if you just joined, I literally just was talking about, I don't have enough time to do this, but I have a very fun stream. Maybe we'll do it next Saturday so that everybody that generally joins gets to do it. There was this. I have a very simple question I asked during phone screens. Print each level of a tree on a separate line. 90% of CS grads just can't do it. Okay, and then this was one-upped one-upped by somebody, which basically said that they would give me a job. The CEO of Tersero said, if you could solve this problem using Go, Kubernetes, and SQLite, we are hiring. Okay, so next Saturday, we're going to have fun because we're going to do this in the most ridiculous way and post it. We're going to use Go, we're going to use Rust, we're going to use Kubernetes and Kubernetes operators, as well as maybe SQLite, but maybe we use like the stuff Tersero makes, like Limbo. That would be pretty cool if we could get Limbo to work, so I'll play around with it during the week. And we're going to solve the problem. We're going to solve this problem in the most ridiculous way possible. Oh, did NeetCode already do this? Dang it. All right. Well, maybe I shouldn't do it then. You'll have to link that. If NeetCode already did it, I don't want to. Oh, not the Tersero part? Okay. Okay, cool. I was going to do the Tersero part. Like, I was going to take their request to the next level. I was thinking almost that we could do like I was thinking there's a lib SQL, which is like SQLite compatible-ish. We could use that, and there's a vector on top of that, right? So I thought we could go pretty fun on top of this. Will the solution use? Okay, Russell, let's keep these crash loop back off to determine the level of the node in the trees. That would be good. Like, I want it to technically work and do what's requested in the most ridiculous way possible. Like, obviously already using Go, Kubernetes, and SQLite to solve this problem is ridiculous, but I want to just like crank up the level of ridiculous. So that's acceptable. That's acceptable. That's a good recommendation. Also pretty funny to use the So we're going to do this next Saturday. We'll use Go, but we'll also do Rust. I want to do both operators. I don't know how I'm going to have two operators solving this simple problem, but we're going to make it up. Okay. We're going to make up reasons to have two operators, a Go one and a Rust one. It's interesting, right? Limbo's in Rust. My guess, my guess here is that a lot of their backend services are in Go, so they just have a lot of it. That would be my guess. Right, because you're looking at mostly web services stuff. All right. So anyways, we're going to do this. I think it should be fun. We're going to time box it to 4 or 5 hours. That's why I can't do it today, because I have to go pick up my car before they close. But we'll time box it. But I think we should be able to have fun with it. All right. Yeah, if they use Kubernetes, Go, a lot of the Go stuff, or a lot of the Kubernetes stuff is in Go. All right, where did I put the stupid Ultra AI? It's in Discord bot. Discord AI bot. All right, so if we run this, Python main. Oh, we got to activate. Okay, we got to activate. This is good. This is good. Sorry, I don't do Python very often. If you're new here, I'm new to Python. If you're new here, you're just as new at this channel as I am at Python. Next weekend, stay tuned for something I suck slightly less at. Not much, but slightly. Slightly less. Okay, so we got to do py-env activate Discord AI bot. And we got to do that over here too. Cool. Okay. So now if we do this, it should fail. Yeah. Well, it doesn't fail. It asks for it. Right. 1 second. Let's why does it ask for it? Did we do this? Oh. If not, we asked for it. Okay. Which is dumb. We shouldn't do that. We should just be done. not typing that in. Okay. And now we can go. Discord. Also a thing that we need. Discord done. All right, let's get, can I hide the side panel of who's online and offline in the, there we go. Okay. I'm just trying to make a better sharing Discord thing. Where do we want to do this? Here, no. We'll move this over to 5 and we'll move this here. Okay, so we should be able to talk to Ultimate AI now. We'll do it in random. At Ultimate AI or Ultra AI. Man, I should have gone with Ultron. No feelings, good. All right, so what we want to do today is give this AI some feelings. Give this AI some feelings. Is this why I hallucinate so much, Nighthound? It's an interesting concept. All right. So interestingly, and I'm not going to sit here and tell you that I couldn't do something similar to what you're doing. The one thing that I have to be careful about is I use Arch, by the way. I use Arch. And when using Arch, you don't want to mess with the system installation, right? So I use the virtual environments to do that, and I use py-env to manage that. There could be a better way. You know, there's Anaconda or Conda. I get confused. Maybe both. Those seem more heavy-handed. I like it lightweight. Okay, so we have this. It's working. We can see it. Cool. And it works for other people. Awesome. Well, Land Elite, we are doing some PyTorch stuff. I've been going through some of their tutorials. I wanted to go through some of their tutorials first myself before subjecting you guys to some of that. The nice thing is I actually installed PyTorch via the system. So I have the system PyTorch, which has CUDA installed, which is pretty cool. So hopefully that goes well. Hopefully. Okay, one thing that we're going to need to do is quickly make an account with Trivy. And by Trivy, I mean, I think it's Travali. I think it's this. AI. There we go. Let's actually, oh, come on, dark mode. Tavali. Okay. Sign up. Cone of silence. How much do I pay for OpenAI API? Not a whole lot. I would need a lot more followers and subscribers to use a lot. We can go over my account page. It's very little. And even with the little bit that we play around with, it's very little. Okay, cool. I got that. Look at this. Look at this. I'm going to show you guys my key. I'm going to leak it right here for you. Oh, you thought I was leaking it. I will probably leak it by the end. But that's the risk I play. All right. What's stopping somebody from interacting with the website version to save money? Nothing. That's what you do. You can go here and ask it as much stuff as you want. Now, the real high-end models that cost a lot, like O1, you only get a certain number of questions to. O4, I don't think that there's a limit, and O1 Mini, I don't think that there's a limit. So you could. Now, the problem is, look what we did here. This is not able to do it through that, right? You have to ask an API, right? I can't use the website to solve this. So one thing to note, Nighthound, is it doesn't keep past chat right yet. It doesn't do that yet. So maybe we fix that today. Okay. It doesn't remember what it said up here. My bad. It's like there was a movie about somebody who had like I don't know, they woke up every morning forgetting the day before. Or something like that. That's Ultra AI right now. Every chat it forgets. There are limits on mine, self-imposed limits on mine. So I have a $10 limit. Well, if people are, let's open it up. I can show you the account. I have nothing to hide. I never remember how to log in. I have to just search for it. Okay, so let's go to the dashboard. We can go to usage. Honestly, Russell, the 50,000 isn't gonna hit $10. So this is my limit. You can increase your, like, this is a self-imposed on me. I have this limit myself. So OpenAI has a limit themselves, but I don't know what that is. I have a $10 limit. 120 is what they have for me. I could do that, but I set it in a budget limit. So I have an alert at $5 and I have a limit of $10. So this is really cool. I'm really glad that they did these things because it allows somebody like me to play around with it and even run it here where you guys can hit it. And I'm not sitting here worried that somebody's gonna ultra abuse it and whatnot. The same with like the Twitch alerts and things. Like if it happens, it happens, but it also there's stuff that's gonna protect me. Hopefully the goal is to just get 60,000 real viewers, not bots. I am not saying come do your worst, because if we got bots abusing it, then like I wouldn't be able to be so open with doing it and letting you guys mess around with it. Like, go for it. Like, if you want to mess around, that's why it's sitting in the public. Like, I could have restricted it to just my name or whatnot. So I mean, even if I ran a local LLM at that point, which I could, you're right, the bots would just clog it. So, I mean, like, that problem is a whole nother problem all of in its own. So, anyways, yeah, so this is it. Let's see. We can look at the usage. I guess it hasn't logged today's usage. So we should be switched all to the 4.0 mini, which is cheaper than the 3.5 turbo. Yeah, it's like quite a bit. It's quite a bit. Like, this right here is not anything. It's nothing. So, anyways, let's get on with this. Anyways, if you have any other questions, we can click through this. Also, I don't have I don't have auto recharge. So, like, really, I have a $9.95 limit. I put that $10 a long time ago. No, I haven't. Okay, let's see. Okay, so we want this. You know, I gotta put this in a file, don't I? Okay. Cone of silence. Cone of silence. Calm down. We gotta just do this really quickly. What should the all right, we'll just do it as the Tavily. Let's see. Export. Hey, Tavily. Katie. Cool. I mean, hopefully I get some AI hardware and we start leveraging that. Hopefully. I've got to figure out some way to afford it, and I've got to be able to get it. I gotta also be able to get it. All right. It will run on our tails at 7 billion. I mean, I would hope it would. All right, Ultra AI is back up. We have gotten Taverly done. Let's get back into it. So the idea, I had two ideas that I wanted to play around with the agents today. First, I wanted to give it a tool that it could leverage. So you guys should be able to chat with it. And the other thing I wanted to do was give it history. I wanted it to, you know, I'm gonna quote, remember the last thing it said. Which would be fun. Yeah, I've run some things locally. So like, I mean, I ran Olama locally. Another thing that the local ones have a problem with is if you look in here, we use OpenAI's API, right? Well, I can't do this very well with the local one, right? Like, not as easy, unless they have an API that I can actually hit. I've seen a lot of people save chat history to a text file. Well, we're gonna do it all in memory for right now. The text file is interesting. You could almost leverage something like a document database for chats, right? We might try to use something, but we're just playing around for right now. libsql or limbo. I was thinking limbo or libsql. Yeah, 1 dB per user model. Yeah, that would work. That would work for sure. And if I do this, this is always a monolith. Like, it's always going to be this. Yeah. Anyways, I don't know that. I was like, oh, I leaked my key. And I'm like, no, I didn't leak my key. Fantastic. Okay. It's always going to be a monolith. Yeah. Okay. So we're going to add a little bit of history, or we're going to try, but I wanted to do this right here. So this has some search, which is pretty cool. It allows you to, it allows your AI to search the internet. So I wanted to try this and give it as a tool. Now we're gonna follow this. We're gonna follow this tutorial that does it. I'm not making stuff up. We're gonna follow this. Last week we made the agent, which took way too long. Okay, so we're just going to do this. We need this right here. We're probably gonna need to install this. So LangChain community tools. Where do we install this? Okay. I think we can do this right here. All right. Yeah. No. Oh, wait. It's just saying is not accessed. Okay. So this is good. We have it. Why don't I use an M for my secret file stuff. It's too easy to leak on a stream. If you're wondering why I don't use a .env, I will leak that crap on stream, like really fast, really fast. Okay, I actually need to change this. It says I need to set it as the environment key needs to be like this. Open API key. It needs to be Travily API key, which is not what I did. So 1 second as I fix this. Travily. That's what Travily. I just did it as Travily key. How dare me? How dare me? I know. So did you see where, you know how OpenAI has the $200 the $200 account? Sam Altman said that they are actually losing money on those account holders. They are actually losing money. Does anybody here have that $200 account? I just asking for a friend. Okay, let's go down here. We have our OpenAI. We're using the 4.0 mini. In this example, they do temperature equals 0. I don't know what that means. What is the temperature? Like, temperature float. Sampling temperature. Like, is this in Fahrenheit? Is it in Celsius? Like, I'm not sure. Can you please tell me what a temperature of 0 means? I don't know. I don't know. Currently, 01 models only allow temperature 1. So since I'm on 4, I can't use it. Okay, fair. Fair. That's all I needed. Well, if anybody uses the $200 a month, I've not actually met somebody that uses the $200 a month one yet. All right, let's see. So then we can do tools, and this is going to, they put it in an array or a list, which is cool because this allows us to put multiple tools in here. So we'll do Tavily search results. Tavily. I think it's Tavily. I'm not entirely positive on that one, but I'm going with it. And we'll do max results of 1. Tab completion broke for some reason. We want 1, which is like super annoying. Why? What's wrong with this? Import language search could not be resolved. Why could it not be resolved? Ew. Ew. Okay, well, I have been looking at this one for a long time. And then I just noticed this. This documentation for LangChain 1.0 is no longer use this version. And then this version, they're like, how about you set up a Jupyter notebook? Well, that's dumb. I don't want a Jupyter notebook. And I don't want to set it up with Langsmith. That's dumb. Let's get on with that. Okay. Okay, so maybe my biggest complaint with LangChain so far is that every time I get into it, I got into it for a thing with work, and they're like, it's so hard to debug, you need Langsmith. You need to pay for Langsmith to debug it. And I think that's a travesty. If you've made something so hard to debug, you need a service. That's not a great model, in my opinion. That's not a great model. Like, that's not a good way to make money on an open source project. Like, making your open source project so bad to debug that you need a paid service to debug it is not great. Throwing that out there. Okay, I already did all this, right? Yeah, I already did all this. We've got all right, we're gonna remove that. Hopefully this one also does the travel-y. I think that there is some free level to it, but it is a paid service. So, I mean, there's a free tier for 5,000 traces, which is fine. But I mean, my whole point isn't that it's bad to have a service that allows this stuff, but like they pretty much push that LangChain sucks to try to actually understand what's going on. So this changed quite a bit from what I was prepared to do. Yeah. Okay, Russell, you got me. You got me. Okay. Moving on. All right. Let's chat models. So what are we doing here? Where's your tools? Where's your tools? Here's the message persistence. That's good. Prompt templates. I mean, this is way more involved. I thought we were going to do something really, really simple. Wait, did we get into tools? You talk like a pirate. Okay, maybe we should definitely use a prompt template. Okay, this is what I wanted to do. I wanted to do the agent because agents are cool. Tool calling, right? I want to call tools. Ah, here we go. Here we go. Thank you. I want this. Ooh, can we just copy and paste this? Can we just copy and paste this? Let's see. We probably need the templates. We probably need the templates, so let's delete that. Let's get this back up and running. It should run now, right? Yeah. Okay, so what we can do now, we have the Nextcord stuff. So this is all basically just Discord stuff. And the only thing that we're actually doing is here on message. Okay, and then really all we're really doing is if Ultra AI is mentioned, we're just invoking the model. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's do the message template. Let's do the message template. Prompt templates, here we go. Okay, let's do this. I think this will be cool. Let's just make, can we just make this prompt template up here? Oh, do we have to import something from, yeah, we do, of course we do. Of course we do. Can we just do this like, not right there, but like maybe right here? Okay. This will be fine. And then we can just invoke on the prompt template, right? Just like we did on the prompt. Yeah, we can just invoke on that, right? With the state. Okay. So we don't have a state, so I think we're just going to do, now, how does the model get combined with the prompt template? So we have the prompt template here, and we have the model here. How do we combine those two? This has a whole lot more involved with like a state graph. Do we need a state? We don't need a state graph, right? How does this prompt template wait. Oh, we invoke the prompt and then we invoke the return of the invoke on the prompt. I got it. We can do this without all the heavy lifting. We don't want heavy lifting. All right, so here what we're going to do is we're going to prompt equals prompt template dot invoke. What was the render that they were talking about? They have a render on the prompt template. All right, it's Python today. Next week we have a fun challenge to do in Go and Rust. It's going to require both. It's going to require Kubernetes. It's going to require possibly Limbo. Yeah. You know what? We'll just accept this. Tab complete doesn't work. I broke it somehow. Does that? It doesn't allow messages, does it? No. It wants state. Probably. And then we can do the prompt here, right? This is, now we can just do prompt. There's a P in this, isn't there? Prompt, I think. All right. Input. Argument missing for user. So this state seems kind of important. This state seems to have a lot of stuff in it. Let's see. What? Oh, I can't go to the definition. I hate that. Okay, maybe I can. Okay, there we go. Why is Python always this way? Where it's like input a dictionary of random stuff, but there's things that are going to be important that you have to have. Let's see. Can we just do this? Probably not. That's also probably not going to work. I'm not sure this is going to do what we think it's going to do. Okay, what did we think that we were going to do? Oh, it should talk like a pirate now, right? Say hello to my friend Palazzo. Error. Variable should be a list of base messages. Yeah, so this did not like message content. You know, we could just give it message, but I don't think it's gonna like that either. I have a feeling, it's just a feeling, that it really wants this state thing. Hello there, YouTube. How are you all doing? No. It died. It died. Yeah. Okay. Well, we tried to cut corners, and that was on your guys, because you guys said we wanted to go quicker, faster, stronger, better. And I said, no, we should take our time, learn the message persistence before we jump to the prompts. Just my bad for listening to you all. My bad. I want to do more Python. Python hurts me, but mainly because I just don't do a whole lot of it. All right. So it wants the state really badly. I guess let's just do this the proper way. Let's like give it some memory. It's not gonna be by account. It's gonna be for everybody chatting with it, which will be like super confusing because you could be chatting with it across the space. But we'll go with it. Okay, so we'll go with it. We'll go with it. Let's import this stuff. Actually, I think we'll need the whole line. So all this is going to do well, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to condense my imports just so that I know which ones are from where, because this is untenable here. There we go. Okay. I don't even know if we had imported from the same things before. Okay. So far, not. Hey, I said I wanted to learn LangChain better than I had. So that's what we're doing. We kind of followed a thing, and it turned out the thing that we were following originally was an old thing, and it didn't work anymore. It just didn't work anymore. All right, so we're going to define a new state graph, which is cool. I'm not entirely sure exactly what this is because I didn't read up on this ahead of time like I would have if I had been reading the right tutorial in the right version. Had I read up on some stuff? Yes. Not this. Not this. Define a function that calls the model. So this is something we hadn't done before. So we had just been calling it here. I mean, I guess it doesn't matter. The thing is, we have more stuff, right? We're not just passing in this message state, right? Oh, is this message state the only thing that we need? Oh, I see. I think we can actually do this, right? Because if we add the new stuff to the state and then call it, this might actually work out. Let's see. We're gonna define this function here. Okay. So I think maybe I shouldn't think. Maybe that getting me in trouble. Go to the definition, please. Go. Please go. Okay. It's not going to. It doesn't always. Did I miss something before this? I see all these model.invoke, but okay, yeah. I already did this. So that's the same. Anytime we see model after this, they're just using the O4 mini, which is what I'm using, which is fantastic. So that means I don't see model here though. So I guess my question was, what's this call model? I don't see this call model defined anywhere, right? And it's not an import, right? Where's call? Oh, it's the stupid freaking function. I'm such a moron. I'm not good at Python. Okay. I'm not good at Python. And this is the model we've already defined. I got it. Shouldn't we have to pass this in? Or is this just like a global thing? I guess it's just a global thing. I get it. Okay. We're going to add this. I've got it worked out in my head now. Let's make this Discord stuff. Okay, so we're adding a start with this model, and we're adding a node, and that's the function here with the message states. Okay. I understand. Maybe. Okay. Now we need to create a config that we pass to the runnable every single time. This config contains information that is not part of the input directly. It's still useful. In this case, we want to add a thread ID. Ooh, so this is where we could put like the user. Yeah. Okay, so like, look, I know that I said this as soon as this. I didn't read it ahead of time. I'm a slow reader. You guys know this. Multiple users. Okay, so let's do this. We're just going to define a single config. But what I think we can do, probably, you know what? No. What we can do, what we're going to do is, how do they pass this config? Okay, this config is passed to app.invoke. Where's app defined? Oh, that the app is the workflow that we compiled that has the call model and all of that. Okay, I got it. So So what we can do here is we can build this config in the Discord right here. Basically, we can do this where the config, where this is the user ID, right? The thread ID is just the user ID. Let's see, this we'll just put, it's just an F, right? And then we'll do not the channel ID. We could do memory for a channel. Should we do a memory per channel? That's actually a cool idea. So any channel that you're in, I actually think we're gonna go with this. Maybe we try to do both, but I actually am liking this, where this is going. We're gonna start with this. So now we have the config. So now, instead of this, we can do the prompt still. Probably. We'll delete the prompt for right now. What we'll do is we can do app. Instead of model, we do app.invoke. And we do... what did we have here originally? Wish I had checked this into Git. Let's see. We have something like F. We can just pass the message, right? Let's just do message dot content and config equals config. Beautiful, right? That's what we want. Cool. Yeah, I think. Okay. Yeah, I think now it's time to run it. I think it was broken anyways. No module named LangGraph. Oh no. We need to find where they told us what to install. Pip install. I ran this. Maybe I didn't run this. This might have been my fault. I blame Twitch chat because they were distracting me with their demands. Specifically. I am upping my blame game. I learned to get ahead in life. I needed to learn. I don't know what. Oh no, what is this? I'm not sure what that is. We're going to ignore that. We have logged in. Will this work? No, you. Nighthound, you didn't change your picture. Very funny. We know who you are, Nighthound. We should have done that, Nighthound, as a trick to get people to think that we had made like a really advanced AI. All right. Let's see. Ultra AI. What are we doing? We didn't use the template. It should just have history. Okay, so let's do this. Ultra AI, explain differential equations, please. Just start with a little light math. The light math destroyed it. All right, it did not like this. I messed up somewhere. Wait. Okay, we got past this. Message persistence. We're into this. We got the config. And it said, oh, we didn't do this, did we? We didn't do this. That was my bad. Okay. I got too excited. We were so close. Right. Yeah. Let's see. And then they just put config in there, right? Yeah. Oh, do we need to wrap input messages in this? Oh, I think we do. You know what? Never mind. All right, we're going back. Wait. I should be able to CI. No. It would be C. I go back and forth between curly braces by %, right? Okay, so it'd be C %. Okay, cool. Oh, but that actually. Okay. Well, I got what I wanted, but I didn't. I need to copy this. I suck at Vim. Join the club. All right, and then we could do this here. I did the wrong thing. Copy done. We can do this here, and this would be message.content. Human message is not defined. Where is human message defined? Okay, I have some complaints about this. They do these little things. Maybe if I had just followed from the beginning, it would be better. Maybe, but I like to believe that it's their fault. All right, we're good now. That's a little weird. I'm not gonna lie. Ooh, CA. Okay, one second. Let me try that really quickly. So if I'm in here, I can just CA %. What? One second. I messed that up. That is A. Okay, one second. CA %. That did not work. CA %. Oh, no, you didn't say CA %. Oh, I'm sorry. CA, boom. No. Yeah. Okay. Cool. It's saying it doesn't really like it. But it picked it up. Okay, I don't know if we're working or not. Okay, but what I wanted to know is if it did history. So, Ultra AI, can you simplify that for me? This is all I wanted, was to be able to ask it something and then like repeat on that. We should log that we got no. Wait. Is this is Nighthound. This is Nighthound. All right. This is not Ultra AI. He's pink. This is the giveaway because Nighthound is a mod. And the AI is not. Screw you, Nighthound. All right, we're moving on. It's not working. We should log a message. Thank you, Nighthound, for making this all the more confusing. You are the Ultra AI. Oh, welcome a first-time chatter, Princess. Make people pay to use it and have Nighthound in the background. Are you there? Okay, cool. Oh, okay. So now the response is getting blocked because there is no content. Oh, which it kind of is warning us of that here, I think. Let's see. Access member content for type. Yeah, okay. So, let's see how they access the return. Maybe it's messages. Oh, contains all messages in state. Oh, okay. So this makes sense. Okay. So instead of doing this, we need to do we're looking for messages. And this is -1. Okay, so we're looking for the latest message, which we'll do -1 content. All right. Yeah. No. Just pretty print. Pretty print. Is that a function? Yeah, that's a function. Okay. Wait, what was not closed? Everything was closed. That was closed. It's closed right there. You're fine. You're just hallucinating. How's everybody doing? Oh, wait, no, I did screw something up. I screwed this up. Okay. We'll pretend that I'm a little bit better at Python than just complete noob. All right. Let's try this now. I'm gonna have to. I don't know which one to pick. Which one? Oh my goodness. Nighthound, you're. I think it's this one. Is this you? Did I pick the right one? No, I didn't. Dang it. Change your name. I think I can. Can I change your nickname? Can I change your... You're... All right. That's why we weren't getting messages. I thought I wasn't getting a message, and it's because I was... All right, Nighthound, change your name back. Cannot send an empty message. Wait, I'm here. How can I assist you? Okay, Pretty Print. I'm almost positive Pretty Print actually printed it. So let's get rid of this. I don't want that. We're just gonna print the message. That was my bad. I thought Pretty Print was going to like make it a string, but I'm pretty sure Pretty Print was printing it to the terminal. Can I change their username? Because wait, add note. I can add a note. I can right click the name. Oh, okay. All right, there we go. All right. It was so hard to pick which one was the one I wanted. It was so hard to pick. Gosh dang it. I need better mods. All right. Okay, we need to do .content. We need. It takes me so long because I have so much like. I do so much stupid stuff where it's like, oh no, that did not work out. Okay. Now I believe everything that I'm doing is in memory. I don't know that for a fact because of this. Is this holding its state? I think everything's in memory though. I don't know what that is, and I'm happy to not know. All right. Please explain. Multiplication to me like I was 10. How about like I'm 5? I was testing its history, Russell. Yeah. Hey. Okay, so it is. It is. Cool. It has history. And it should be per channel. It should be per channel. You can now enable tracing with LangSmith. Dang it. Were you here for my rant on that? I don't think you were here for my rant on that. Oh, you're not Ultra AI. Okay. Thank you very much, mod. I figured out how to rename you. You know what the worst part was? I couldn't figure out, Nighthound, which one was you and which one wasn't because you redid your picture. Yours is a little different though. It's a little different. Okay, cool. So it has history per channel. Now, if you're in my Discord, you can charge me money. I'm not going to leave it running. It's only going to be running during streams. Just an FYI. Maybe we get something that we leave running all the time. One, I have to know how much it's going to cost me. Let's see how much we've charged today so far. Can we do like daily? Can we do daily? Is this today? Today is the 18th. So we've done 876 tokens. Oh gosh, this is like nothing. 1 second. I mean, like, we haven't even gotten to 1,000 tokens, and 1,000 tokens, Let's see. My organizational token isn't a secret. Okay. I don't think so. Hopefully not. Open API pricing. Okay. I think that it's a like 01 mini, which we're just using this one. Oh, for 1 million tokens. We're talking about 15 cents for 1 million tokens. We're at 800 some tokens. This is for 1,000 tokens. Okay, so we're almost to 1,000 tokens, which is 1/10 of a penny. No, this is 1/10. It's 100th of a penny. It's a penny of a penny for 1,000 tokens. And we're at 800 for the goofing around we've done so far. You guys. The not ultra AI is actually probably quite a bit more intelligent. Not ultra. I was gonna say. I just need to see my bill. So the other thing that I was thinking about doing with this is we have text and audio. I don't know, $20 per million tokens. I was thinking about doing, if somebody gives bits, doing text to speech, but like, I don't want to use somebody's service. I want to build it because I don't know. I do all of that all the time. $1K equals 1K. Oh. Thank you, Nighthound. I mean, not Ultra AI. All right. Cool. So we have per channel. Let's actually test the per channel. I'm going to go here. You only speak like a pirate. Here. All right, let's then jump over to random and see if it talks like a pirate. Cool. So we have so we have per channel memory, which is pretty cool. Okay, sorry. Let's get back. The whole idea was to set up an agent and have it actually do something for us. We didn't get there quite yet. I have an hour left. Okay, I have an hour left. For all other users, it's free. That would be Nighthound. That would be Nighthound. All right. No, we're not doing that. We're not doing that today. Where was the? Yeah, we're on the tool usage. But we're on this one. Not Ultra AI can definitely do agents. All right. That was some pretty good trolling, Nighthound. It got me because you ended up changing your icon, and then I was like, I can't tell which one is which. Oh, do you guys want to know something that I found interesting? And I'll show you guys because I complained about it. And it's fixed. When I was last using cursor, not the button I wanted to use. When I was last using cursor, oh, I haven't updated this, have I? Well, I can't show you guys, so it doesn't matter. I need to update the cursor on here, but it now, you know how cursor used to just be like, oh, you could do this, but I can't do anything for you. It now has agent mode where it can actually do the things that it's recommending, which is pretty cool. I'll have to show it to you guys. I'll have to update it and show it to you guys if you're interested in it. Actually, the other day I was using it with Terraform and having it run like Terraform apply and things like that, which was not apply, Terraform plan, not apply, and getting like debug information from that because, like I said, it's really good. AI is really good at reading logs and error message and things like that. So I actually kind of found it helpful for that. It also did some dumb stuff, but okay. We kind of understand this code. I don't understand what's wrong with this. It doesn't like it, but it's right, and it just doesn't know it. All right, so we did the config. We have channel history, which is pretty cool. Right. Already did this. I breezed through this. I don't need the... I got it. Prompt templates. That's what I want. I already have a prompt template, right? Yeah. You talk like a pirate. We're talking like a pirate today. Yeah. I can show you guys the new updates to cursor at some point. I think they're pretty cool. I still hate that I can't have it in Vim. Like, I really do. I really dislike that I can't have it in Vim because they actually do some, like I've said, cursor is better than Claude, and they use Claude for the backend. So they do some cool stuff. Did it say I don't have enough mana? Okay. Okay. now, I almost said, let's give Ultra AI the ability to run command line things, and then I remembered who I was dealing with, and I am never giving you guys the ability to run stuff on my computer. Never, ever. As soon as I had that thought, I was like, that's a terrible idea. That's an absolutely terrible idea. All right, so we can do the prompt template, which we already have the prompt template. And here we need to do this, right? And then we can delete this, right? Oh, this just needs to be the state, right? I'm still not quite sure what we're doing here. Okay, so they're doing prompt template with the state, model, invoke the prompt. Good. Now, my question here is, how do I add the human message? Do I add it to the state first? We'll invoke the application the same way. App invoke. Oh, wait. Oh, okay. Oh, but this is on the call method that we're doing to the app. Okay, so we can still do it with just the input message. Cool, okay, so does this work? I mean, I know it's still complaining about this. Oh my goodness, what are you guys doing? Yes, bro. What? Okay, so let's shut down the AI. All right, we'll start back up. And we'll see. Which should clear, since we're not saving this to a file yet. This should clear all history. Yeah? So at Ultra AI, say hello to not Ultra AI, your nemesis. How do you spell nemesis? That's how you spell nemesis. Not you nemesis, your nemesis. There we go. Why is it so friendly? Why is it so friendly? It's your nemesis. This is like overly friendly. Did I say that it was a friendly pirate? What? What? Okay. Poor Ultra AI. Keep the friends close, enemies closer. I guess that's what Ultra AI is, next leveling nemesis is. All right, so cool. Now we're using the prompt template, which is pretty cool, which means we can select different prompt templates for different types of things. Awesome. I don't know. Maybe we need to just like, does that help? Does like getting out of it and back into it help? No. It doesn't like this, but LangChain says this is what to do. Argument of the message state cannot be assigned to parameter of input of type dict of unknown unknown. in function invoke. Message state is incompatible with dict unknown unknown. So does it not keep state anymore? So my question is, all right, so let's try this. Add ultra AI. Remember the number 42. What number did I ask you to remember? Okay. So it's working, and this is what they say to do. Oh, look at this. So if you reply to the app, if you reply to it, that's the same as mentioning it, because we look here as mentioned. And so you get auto mentioned for replies. That's actually really cool. That's awesome. Okay. So that's working better than expected. Cool. Now, what we set out to do is to enable it to search the internet for you. I have an update. In patches where we dug in the snow to build the fort, so we like scooped the snow, you can actually start to see grass today. I was hoping it would melt all the snow, but it's not going to melt all the snow. And then we're going to be freezing again. We're going to literally be... Look. Sorry, I have to go to communist units here. We're going to be negative 26 in a couple of nights. For all of you out there. I don't know. I don't know what's up. But I still believe that we're role-playing as Canada. There is no Canada geese out there. That's like the last thing that we're missing. Yes, Russell. Yes, it's supposed... It's supposed to get absolute freezing and snow again. I literally haven't been able to get up my driveway for 2 weeks, 3 weeks now? 3 weeks now. And I'm not sure I'm going to be able to again. Ugh. I have realized that on this, with this driveway, I need a snowplow. I need a plowing instrument. I know. So the Tesla does really, really well on snow. Like it does really well. It's 4-wheel drive and heavy. And so it actually does really well on snow. The problem is when you have 2.5 feet of snow, it's just above its bumper. And so like, what do you do? Okay, guys, don't pour hot water on your car. Please don't do that. You will break your windows. It's basic chemistry. Basic chemistry. Don't do that, please. He is trolling you with expensive things. He is trolling you. Windows is always broken. Okay. We gotta go on because I have to go pick up my Tesla. I've been without it for a little while. And somebody, man, back in November rear-ended me. Just before Thanksgiving. And I'm gonna have to park it at the end of my driveway, which is not great, but I don't think maybe enough will melt that I can get it up the driveway, but then I'm not going to be able to get it back down. So it's going to be useless as a car. That's fine. All right, we got a prompt. Ooh, can we do this? Can we do this really quickly? Unless I gotta give it user information at some point, so we can have it not be helpful to some people that are on a list. We're gonna have a list. The year of the Linux desktop. There's so many problems with the Linux desktop and why it's not ever the year of the Linux desktop. Like, corporate spending. Nighthound is about to be added to a list. Right, and not a list of, not the good list. Not the mod list. Look, there's, like, I love, and I even play games now on the Linux desktop. But... like, just realistically, there, you have corporate spending. You have these two big things. It doesn't matter if you made the Linux desktop perfect. These two things have to switch. These two things have to change. Because the thing is, and no matter how much you like, Linux as a desktop, you know, there's things like DaVinci Resolve, how I edit my videos. I haven't gotten it to work on Linux, despite DaVinci Resolve working on Linux, kind of. So I've talked with Linus Tech Tips, not Tech Tips. Linus Tech something. Okay, whatever. Anyways, he uses DaVinci on Linux. And not Tarvals, no, but even then, it doesn't support all the codecs that it does on Windows and Mac. So you have to then recode everything for it. But I haven't even gotten it to run on mine at all. Like, it just doesn't run. You know, if you want to use Adobe, they don't run. And maybe you can wind them out. And sometimes that works, sometimes it doesn't. But for the general user, Wine isn't the solution. For the general user, Wine isn't the solution. Because, yeah, sure, you and I can use Wine, but we're saying to make it a first-class citizen desktop, you need app support, you need corporate spending, because what you need is people like Dell, people making the general purpose laptops to be putting it out on there. You need other corporate spending to support apps that are like, you know, let's say Autodesk and AutoCAD. I don't know if those, I know those are big like engineering ones. I don't know if they support Linux or not, but I would guess they probably don't. Maya probably doesn't support Linux. I know Blender does. So if you really want Linux, you gotta fix the corporate spending. In my opinion. I could be wrong. I could be wrong. How do we make Let's see if the AI knows. Old enough to whine, young enough to whine? Absolutely. Cross-compiling is interesting. But cross-compiling seems simpler than it was. Hey, did you guys get the alert? I didn't get the sound in my ears. Did you guys get the new follow alert? Welcome, Caveman Crafting. What's up? And welcome. Welcome. It popped up on the screen, but no audio. Well, sorry about the no audio. I will fix that. I did not hear it either. This Ultra AI is only online when I'm streaming. You guys are more than welcome to try it out while I'm streaming and play around with it. That's why I put it there. If I didn't want you guys to play around with it, I would have just done it where I was asking it in the command line while we're playing around with it. So please feel free to... I disagree with this, user-friendly distributions. I actually think that one of the problems is too many distributions. When you get this, you get choice paralysis. And if you're telling people that they have, like, if Mac sold you an Apple computer and then made you pick between 20 distributions, it's not great. We have user-friendly distributions. You can pick, there's even user-friendly distributions of Arch. Education and awareness only goes so far. There's only so much education and awareness you can go. Software capability is really big, which is why I think you need the corporate spending to encourage. You know, it says encourage developers, but we really need the big corporate people that make those apps that people use. Yeah. Hardware support is a good one I didn't mention. Again, it falls to me under corporate spending. You need that hardware support. You need that corporate spending to ensure that hardware supports. Microsoft makes sure that hardware that's made supports Microsoft. Like, it's, yeah. Yeah, anyways. I like Ultra AI. Dirk. The question was, or the thing I was answering is why I don't think Linux will ever be the mainstream desktop. At least not anytime soon. I wasn't necessarily saying these things were bad or that we shouldn't have them. It's part of the appeal, right? That a lot of people that like Linux like that there's a bunch of different ones and everybody runs a different version of Linux and does different things and whatnot. And I was just saying some of the things that make it difficult for it to be a mainstream one. I wasn't saying whether I wanted it to be or it wasn't. I wasn't getting into a political standoff, merely stating these are some of the hurdles it has being a mainstream distribution. Okay, let's move on. We got this. Well, it needs to search the internet before I have to go. I can't be out past tomorrow because it's gonna freeze hard. Don't you dare say anything bad about Arch. Don't you take those words back. I think that SteamOS has to be in the top 10, right? Just because if you count every Steam Deck that's out there running SteamOS, actually, something like SteamOS is the best chance of a mainstream desktop because people use it because it just works and it has the hardware support. Yeah. No, I can't be out late because I don't think the Tesla's battery works at negative 15 degrees. I think, I mean, I guess that means it's a pumpkin, but okay. What are we doing here with this state? We incorporated the template. We invoke the application the same way. Neither does a diesel. Oh, dude. Yeah, diesels. You have the engine warming blankets. So I was in Alaska for just a little bit of time, and their diesel trucks, they would have warming blankets that they would put on the engines in their garages. Once you got them running, they were fine. Are you leveraging tools for your search, other integrations? Well, caveman crafting, look, we just started leveraging AI, okay? And I suck at it, for one. So there's that. But just started leveraging it. We're just exploring LangChain today. It's super, super simple. Actually, one of my goals for today was to use a tool so that we could search the internet. Specifically, we're going to use Travely, this thing. Travely. We're going to try using Travely as an agent. So yeah. Wait. Why? How does it have? No. Wait. Awesome. Let's make our prompt a little bit more complicated. Let's assume that the prompt template now looks something like this. You are beautiful. I don't know why I read beautiful. A helpful assistant. You are a helpful assistant. Answer all questions with the best of your ability in language. So we're passing like a template into the template. Note that we have added a new language input into the prompt. Our application now has two parameters, the input message and the language. We should update our application to state to reflect this. Oh, instead of just state, we're actually making a class state now. Oh. And I think state was originally just this annotated sequence base message, old messages. Okay. We'll just blindly import these things. Does Python have like Python format? Python FMT. No, I meant like format, not the file. Okay, I'm gonna take that as a no. I'm sure that there is. I just don't know what it is. So there's like a tool I can install. Yeah. Okay, let me you said it was black? So then we can just do like black. Cool. Cool. I'm assuming that will clean up. It didn't. I was hoping it would clean this up. Right? Because this should be deleted and base message should be put here, right? Rough? I don't want a rough format. I want an elegant format. Is there elegant? Still didn't combine these two. Let me get out of there. I don't know. I just wanted something to clean up my imports. Let's see. Maybe Python clean up imports. Maybe Rough does it. Maybe it's like a setting that I have to do. You know, like maybe they don't. It's not unused imports. It's just cleaning it. Anyways, it doesn't matter. It's fine. My next thing is trying to work with my bot is to give it a short-term, long-term memory system. For short term, I'm just returning back like the last 10 or so chat messages. Then for long term, I'm using Redis or vector search to retrieve relevant past conversations, thoughts. Caveman crafting. Actually, I want to do something similar. So right now in Discord, it has short-term memory in each channel. So it's not by person, it's by channel. So it remembers stuff for this channel. And then if you flip over to here, it will have a different memory for that channel. But what I'd love to do every Friday, for those of you that don't know, that are new, I do the news. And one of the things that I wanted to do with the news is I'd like to have a web scraper that helps me collect some of this stuff and an AI trained on like the past news and which news articles people found interesting. So that we can kind of rank some of the stuff. So we're learning. I suck at it. And yeah, let's keep going. All right. So I don't want to add language, so I don't want to do this. But we could do something like user. Wait. Where's my state? Yeah. So like we could track what user is asking the question. All right, I'll look into Rough. If Rough has the ability to do it, that's awesome. I would like that. I actually want to have a chatbot that works in Discord as well as Twitch chat. And some of the long-term stuff that I'd like for it to have is you should be able to ask it questions about the channel. That would be cool. Yeah. Basically rag it on, we're probably going to train it actually, to customize it and then rag it on like my stuff. I think it's the idea. I think that would be a good learning experience, but okay. I don't understand. Let's see. Do we do this? I think we're going to do this, but we're just going to do this. We're not going to add the language because we're keeping it English. No, Caveman Crafting, you're more than welcome to. So now when we do app.evoke, we have to do user. Do we have to? If we put user here, user. Oh, I don't know why tab is broken. I gotta fix that. All right, if we do user here and we do invoke and then wait, they're not using the prompt anymore? Did they get rid of the prompt? Wait. I don't love this because it makes you scroll up, right? Like, because like they just get rid of stuff randomly. So we have message state here, which we just redefined we refined it as state. Okay. So we have message state here. Now down here, they're saying that we're going to add language, and this is to our template. And here we're going to make a state. Do I have to give it permission? It might not have permission, but I don't see anything asking for permission. Let's see. So here we do state here. Okay, so they changed state to state here instead of message state. This gets changed to state. But they still do the template, and then they invoke the template with the prompt. Right. This doesn't make any sense, right? Oh, this does. This does. Because this is in the call model, which is what we're building our app off. Oh, okay. I gotta read. This takes a little bit of time. I got it. And so this is just where we're invoking it, which is down here in the Discord section, where we're yeah. Akira the AI. Thank you for the follow. I need to work on our Twitch alerts. Okay. I got it. And so here we have the human message, which is this. And when we invoke, we put the input messages, app invoke input messages. But here we don't just do input messages. We do user you know, maybe user Merrick. Nice, Dutch. Nice. Oh wow, so it literally responds to every single message. Does that get annoying for you? Like every single message? You don't have to add it. It just responds. Dutch, we're playing around. We're playing around. We have Ultra AI. It's not very smart right now, but it's there. It's there. Maybe it's not. It's not running right now. Never mind. It's not there. It's not there. We're making changes. We're making changes. I'm just trying to add user. So we did language. We did user. We updated on message to now pass it on the invoke in this user object. Here we're passing in the state, which has a user. Okay. This looks probably right. And it's just hard-coded to Merrick. Let's see if this runs. Using React, becoming that React. All right, becoming that React dev. All right. Test worked. All right, so we have the call model that's going through here. We have extra information, and we have how to call it like that. Which we could actually, do like this, right? Let's actually just do this. Message dot author. And then we could say, something like, answer all questions to the ability to help the user named that tab complete, please work. Okay. Cool. So it should like maybe respond to you. Maybe. I'm not promising. And user is what we called it, right? In our class, user. Yep. Okay, cool. Let's try that. Can you help me find the current acceleration of my car-based car? Yeah. I want to see if it uses my name back, because we put this like the asker in there. Make it a little personalized. Did it crash? It did crash. It did crash. Okay, so that did not work out well. Please escape it with double curly braces like this. Did they do that here? Did I miss that? They did not. They did not. Oh. Wait, what? Wait, what? Oh. Oh, I know. I know. This is my bad. I wanted to blame Python on it, but this, the author, I almost guarantee you is not, it needs like name or something like that. It wouldn't let me go to like the definition. If you intended the user to be part of the string and not a variable, please escape it. Right, I don't. I obviously am not. I need to know what's this object. I need to know. I don't know though. User, I didn't misspell that. What have I done wrong? What have I done wrong? Is missing variable user. Received messages. Okay, 1 second. Did I just screw something up here? All right, input messages is put here with messages. I'm sending user right here, right? This is in the app.invoke, and if we're looking at here, it's app.invoke. And we're sending this as an object. Do I need to send it as, do I need to like create a class, the state class? That's not what they did in their example. What did I do wrong? What did I do wrong? It's not saying that this wasn't a string, but that's my worry, is that it's not a string. Let's actually open up the Discord. What library did we use for Discord again? Next chord. Get user name. Member.display name. Let's see. So do we call that here? Is author this? I don't know. Also, when you're doing that, make sure you need the escaping the curly braces. Do I need to escape the curly braces? I didn't put an F there, right? And they didn't in theirs. Right? Wherever that was. Yeah, they didn't. Because we're not making a format string. I don't know. Oh, okay, yeah. For anything I'm injecting, I was not trying to inject anything here. Maybe that's my problem. It very well could be my problem that I am not injecting something and I should be injecting something, but... yeah. Yeah, it's saying expected messages user, and it's missing user. The only thing I can think of is that this is not a valid property. I don't have any message template code. It's just on message, and I cannot, for the life of me, it won't tell me what this thing is because it's Python. I'm trying to go to the definition. Okay, so here we got, let's see, message. This is why we use statically typed things. Message.author name. I tried that. Let's go back here. I tried name, I thought. Message.author name. I hate on. I really do. Like, this is just indicative of everything that I dislike about it. Like, in any other language, this would be done. Easy, dusted. See, it received messages, not the user, which I'm guessing is because... Actually, I know that author is a thing, right? I think author is a thing because that's the thing that they use. Let's see if it does the same thing here, because if I remember correctly, the thing that it complained about here... was, yeah. I don't know. If you don't use discord.py, what do you use? If you don't use that, what do you use? I mean, I'm using Nextcord, which is based off of discord.py, right? Nextcord. Oh, yeah. All right. I've done something wrong. I'm thinking. Please let me think. I can try that. Yeah, yeah. Oh, that's actually a good one. That's actually a good one. Let's do that. I didn't need to quit, but whatever. Well, this is at least good to say, like, it's not the user, it's how we're passing it. But this is what they do here, right? They do this right here. They do break it out into multiple lines. They do this. I hope that doesn't matter. I hope. Wait. I think there was a gnat flying in front of my face. Wait. So we did change this to this state, right? And it gets that on the on-call model, the call model. And this call model we're setting up here on our workflow, and our workflow is what we create our app from. So that should work. Right, because this is how we're tying in our prompt template. Our prompt template is created here, but it's only used here on the call model. Line 50? What about line 50? What about 49? Oh. Do I have to... Wait. They don't do that in this, though. They don't do that. They don't update their call model to return that. I agree. It's in my state object. See this? State object, language. State object, user. Right here. Because if you look here, it is failing on this invoke here. It's not even getting to the call model. It's not even getting to this function, right? It's failing on the invocation of this, which passes this object in. Input to chat model template is missing the variable user, which the chat model template is this right here, and is defined to be used by this right here. Wait, do we see this call model being executed here? I don't know the full chain here. Oh, yeah. So this is the original, and here it's coming back to my prompt model invoke state, which is this right here, and state is this thing right here, which is this thing, which has a user, okay? And then we're back in their code, and yeah. What did I do wrong? Okay, I mean, the thing is, it's saying this state here doesn't have it. When I'm initiating the state object, are you setting it as a user variable? So I'm not initiating the state object. If you look here, it's a type dictionary. So like this being a type dictionary, all I'm doing is passing it here, this is my creation of a type dictionary, right? So this is my creation. And you have to do this because invoke takes a type dictionary, right? Yeah, it takes a dictionary. It could be any object. So should we try making a state object? Let's just try making a state object. Wait, it is too closed. It's right there. You're high. You're high. You're closed. It's not closed. I did not forget a comma. Wait. My bad. This would be like this now, right? No. How do you, messages is not defined? It is two. It is two. This is how you create. I mean, we could take these out, right? Right? And not name them, right? No overloads for init. Oh, I didn't provide. Oh, okay. I see. So I need to do the init of them. Okay, my bad. I didn't do this. I forgot. Let's do this. If we just need to do this, right? It's just def init, right? And then we've got to do, we can't do pass, that was dumb. We got to do just self dot messages equals no. And then self dot user equals user, right? All right, and then we got to take this away, right? We're just making it our own thing, right? And then we can delete these. And now this should work. Yeah, it does. Okay, okay. Good. All right, we're running, we're kicking. You are the worst. It expects a dictionary. So, so while it says it can be anything, it can't be anything. All right, let's undo this. Right, okay, so I'm doing an inline, and that's what you're doing in your gist here too, right? Yeah, look at this. Okay, this is a template, whatever. Here, you're just doing an inline dictionary with curly braces. That's what I'm doing. That's what I'm doing. The documentation lied to us. Yeah, it's not even... The documentation is terrible, but it's even this. Why would you put that it can be anything if it can't be anything, right? This is why I dislike Python. This right here. People always ask, like, why do I hate on Python? Type systems are there because they're so powerful. If this had a good type system, I wouldn't need the documentation on it. Like half the time with Rust, I don't need the documentation because I can see with the type system what I want to do. Having a good type system is your friend, not your enemy. Okay. What have I done wrong here? Okay, I'm gonna just step through really quickly, just to make sure I didn't do anything really off base here. All right, okay, so they did, let's see, chat prompting. All right, prompt templates. We did the prompt template. We got the template working. And now they said, okay, let's add a little bit more complement. Assume the prompt template now looks something like this. This is what I did. Okay. Now we have added a language. We should update our application state to reflect this. I did this. So let's look at mine. My state is up here, right? No, it's down. It's down. Do you know, does it need to be like above it? Like if this is true, I'm just gonna cry maybe a little bit. That would be super dumb, but something I would expect from Python. I did not do this correctly. Oh, I did not make this an inline dictionary. So let me fix that. Let me fix that. We will make this a little bit easier to read like this. Okay, maybe like this. Okay. Dict string unknown. That's what I have. String unknown. String unknown. Yeah, I don't know. Does that work? App.invoke. They're not wrong this time. They're not wrong this time. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm not supposed to be creating state anymore. That's the whole state. My bad. Okay. All right, now we're kicking. Now we're it's not gonna work. You are the worst. Absolute worst. So now we're back to only received messages. Okay, but we're back. Okay, so let's make sure that we're kicking just like they are. We have the prompt, we have the state. Those things are all dandy. Oh no. Oh no. We don't do this. The state graph state schema. It's not in green. I didn't do this. I didn't do this. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's right here. They didn't tell me to update it. Oh, I hurt so much. I hurt so much. I hurt. Physical pain racks the body. At least it knows my name. At least it knows my name. Okay, well then. Thanks, Scott B. Thanks, Scott. Thanks for that knowledge drop. Okay. By the way. Very nice. Very nice. Welcome to the team, blah. You do have to always add the by the way. Arch was mentioned. You got to drop by the way. All right, they're docs. Are their docs open source? Should we make a PR for this? I want the docs. Hey, blah, welcome. Welcome. That's also done by AI, but that AI is in Rust, and that was way easier to do than AI in Python. This is not the docs I'm going through. I don't think. Maybe it is. Maybe it is. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. I'll worry about that later. I actually, thanks everybody for joining. I actually have to go. I have to drive to Columbus. I gotta go. That's a decent drive for me. I gotta go pick up my sister from the airport. I gotta go pick up my car. I gotta go do a bunch of stuff. So that's gonna be it for me today. Next Saturday, we have a very fun stream planned. Very fun stream. We're gonna take somebody's tweet. I'm gonna get a job off of it. Probably not. Probably not gonna get a job off of it, but I'm gonna make a tweet and have them check out my code. We're going to take his request to the extreme. I don't know if I'll stream this week again. I'm sorry. We're still unpacking. We just moved. We just went through a blizzard. We're going to be into the zeros. We have some people coming to work on the house. It's kind of busy. My sister's in from out of town, so it's super busy. So I'm not going to promise to stream this week, but the week after, I'm hopefully going to get back into the groove of streaming throughout the week as well, and making some videos. I've already started working on my file video. It's pretty good. All right. I'm going to see you all later. Columbus, Ohio. Yeah. Yep. Scott B. going to Columbus, Ohio. It's about an hour and a half away. I live in the sticks. If you don't know what the sticks are, it's where there's nobody. All right. Join the Discord. Hit that follow, subscribe button, whatever it is, if you're on YouTube or Twitch. And I'll see you guys later.